Indiana state officers were on a routine patrol in the suburbs when they received a 911 call reporting a trespassing incident. The caller stated that the suspects had fled the area, but their vehicle was still on the property.
Hi there. Okay.
That van right there, blown out window there.
Yeah.
That's the one I was talking about.
Okay. So
he's been in the area.
Was he driving today?
Yeah.
He was driving today?
Yeah, I followed him in here.
Like just now when you called?
Yeah.
Okay. Who are you?
Joshua.
Okay. And you just, how do you know that, like, what does that match? What description?
The bag was on the back window blowing. It drove by my driveway because I was sitting there. I saw him come out at 850 east onto US 20. And my dad was to him, the neighbor. And they all were talking, and he talked to Joe Patterson from Fremont. He said that vehicle's been wanted out of Fort Wayne for trying to abduct kids or pick up kids.
Gotcha. So, where'd you get the information that was, like, the vehicle?
My dad and
your dad?
Joe.
Okay, so your dad and Joe put out a description. What was the description they gave of the vehicle?
The silver van. And
just
he
a silver van?
Any other van with the window blown out the side and a plastic bag over it.
Okay. Can I see your ID real quick?
Yeah, no problem. My dad drove past there, and the guy obviously doesn't belong there. I know the neighbors. And then
go ahead.
Pulled out leaving in a hurry, and they had him on camera leaving. I think he's scouting the area trying to rob.
17. Gotcha. Okay, well, we'll go see if we can talk to him and see if we can figure it out.
I was hearing that from them. I thought maybe I'd call him and give you guys advice on where he's at.
Okay.
Talk to him, maybe locate him.
Yeah, well, we appreciate it. We'll give you a call if we have any other questions. But
was that I guess a true statement about him trying to pick up kids, or
we don't know, man. It sounds like it was several days ago, so we'll go have a chat, see what we can figure out, and we'll get some more info from Fort Wayne right now. All right, thanks, bud.
You too.
The suspects also had prior warrants for their arrest, and the officers found their car in a miserable condition.
There's a gun in there. Yeah.
He was sitting right there, our CP was, so there's no telling where he went.
And it's expired.
If we can get some info on, like, if they got a... That's a...
I was going to say, it kind of looks like an airsoft gun. It might be.
Yeah, it is. It's an airsoft.
You sure?
Please, we just need to talk.
I think that's it.
Well, he's gonna take your car out. Hi there. Do you know who owns that minivan back there?
Minivan? I didn't know there was a minivan back there.
Yeah, there's a silver one.
Yeah. Huh?
There's a silver minivan back there. We just wanted to talk to the owner, see who it was.
It's on this land?
Yeah, it's right up the top of the hill.
I did not know that was there, and I was just working back here yesterday. This is my land.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell you. I can go look. A silver minivan.
Yeah, if you can.
Busted out windows.
If you can find whoever, I don't know if it's them in there, or
No,
you rent this out, don't you?
Them. No, man, I don't know really. Straight up, I have no clue. I'd like to go see it.
I mean, yeah, it's your property. You can go see it, but if you can figure out who it is, we just want to talk to him for a minute.
Okay.
That's all.
I'll do what I can, but let me call him.
Who are you renting this to now?
Alan?
And there's his wife. What's his wife's name?
Tanya.
Tanya.
I have no clue who that is. I was working back here yesterday till about dark, and it wasn't back here then, I guarantee.
It would have had to have gotten here recently.
Is it drivable?
Yeah, our CP followed him here.
Really?
But there's nobody around.
Think somebody bailed and run, or what?
Don't know.
I'm gonna drive up there.
All right.
Anything about the silver van over there? Can you see the top of it over there?
I have no idea. It wasn't here this morning.
No, it would have been just came here.
I have no idea who that is.
Okay, yeah, because we obviously just saw you pull up, so
Yeah.
didn't know. You've been gone for a little while.
Right.
All right.
What's your name, first name?
Mike.
Michael. Yep. Okay. Cool.
It wasn't here yesterday, I guarantee it. I was working right there till about dark. Got a bunch of trash and shit in it.
That it does.
It does. I do not know.
Is it stolen or you don't
No,
know?
not stolen.
Yeah.
They couldn't have been here any more than 30 minutes.
Really? Yeah. I say I've never seen it. Huh. Got 3 blasted out windows at least.
Yes, somebody called in saying that it was, they saw it down in Fort Wayne and it matched the description of a suspect vehicle that they were looking for.
Oh yeah? What the did they dump it here for? Shit.
Don't know.
I don't either, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it comes
Check
back
it
to the
out.
bin.
I mean,
He doesn't know whose it is.
I have no clue.
Hi guys. You see anybody running in the woods around here? Where'd they go? That way up the road? What'd they look like? Guy and a girl? Fort Wayne 27. Just for the other units, looks like they went talking to these people northbound on 425 or 475 or whatever road it is. It's male and female. Thanks, guys.
Despite having several leads on their location, there was no sign of the suspects. A manhunt was initiated, and several officers and K-9 deputies were called on the scene.
Claire, I've went around behind the houses here. I'm right at the west edge of the woods. The 13 just said they started running northeast, so that means they're going that way. And when the cars all went through, they just kept going. I could hear them revving their engines all the way back over there, so they've got to be a little ways that way.
Cool.
We got plenty of resisting on them now.
So I guess I started going the right way, but then I went the wrong way.
Clear and heading back towards 200 north.
Okay, that's better than one.
Yeah, even if we... Okay, what's the name?
Back towards 200 north.
Hey, right there. Right there. Stop, police!
Clear here! Clear here! Stop here!
Dogs out! Dogs out! Dogs out! Get him! Fort Wayne, we got him. One's still running, dogs out.
Stop him!
Stop him!
Got my dog!
Down, down, down.
Down! Shoot you! Fire here! Fire here! Here, fire!
He's running east.
Here! Here!
Watch out, Cody, it's water.
Fire here!
Yeah, 17, people. Cody, watch out. Someone's right next to him. He's walking. You out with 17? You have eyes on her? Clear time.
Got him!
Hey, boys, you're not clear. She said that.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
I need help. Help me. These guys are trying to hurt me. These guys, help me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Help me. These dogs bit me. Help.
Calm down.
I got one custody.
What's up, Walker?
How's it going, buddy? Trying to get medics out here.
We'll get him to Max. Yeah, let's get you stand up. You've been running a while. Up and up. This is just come out to the field. Here, grab that arm. I'm adjust these for him.
You're requesting medics?
Dog bite. Dog bite to the groin.
That motherfucker hit me hard.
Here, stand up.
He bit the shit out of me.
Well, you should have stuck.
Dog bite to the groin.
Good dog.
We'll walk. We'll walk. If you want to take her, take Allie.
I got a big sheet if you want to put it on your feet.
This comes rainbow. Please help me.
We're going to go get your help up there, but we can't do it back here. They can't get back to you.
Ow. 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 Oh. Well, thank you guys. This guy's been chasing me. I don't know if it was his buddies or what. When he pulled up on me, I was like, oh, thank God.
When trying to apprehend the male, the K9 bit him several times in the leg. The male in return tried to drown the dog, but was unsuccessful.
I need help, but I'm laying on the ground. Oh, shit.
2213 Fort Wayne. Good.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. That dude right there's been chasing me like, I'm like, dude, I'm not trying to be on your property, bro.
You alright, bud?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just thirsty.
Josh Hardy.
No, hell no, that's a snitch ass bitch. I see Josh Hardy, I'm gonna him up. Josh Hardy's a riding around on a crotch rocket. He's in a villa. He's a straight snitch. Fuck boy. Yeah, hell no, ain't no Josh Hardy, bro. He's a that dog's smart. Smart dog. I turned around and said, come here, boy. He let me pat it for a second, he still bit my ass. I said, this is a smart dog.
I don't think it's funny.
No, it ain't funny at all.
It ain't funny at all. So quit smiling.
Dog is what you tried to do, and I don't find it funny
No, I
one
wasn't
bit.
gonna fight it, dog. I like
No,
the
you
dog.
drowned my dog. You tried to drown my dog, and you had it in headlock.
I jumped out.
Bullshit.
I promise I didn't. I love dogs. That's a smart ass dog. I like that dog. I like that dog, sir. I would never try to do that to a dog. I got arrested last time trying to save a dog from going across the creek because he couldn't swim. Oh, that sucks. He's mad at me
What's
about
your
it.
social there, Scooter?
I have no clue about it. I'm a hippie.
And what's your address?
Over at 525. Can I drink out of a mud puddle or something? Please.
It's too bad. Or you want to go to the hospital and get checked out with us?
Yeah. I just need something to drink.
Oh, we ain't got nothing to drink.
I'll drink out of a mud puddle, man.
Alright.
Please.
We have to wait till we get to the hospital, man.
I'll strain my socks, man. Something. I'm really that thirsty, bro.
Alright, can we walk you out to the ambulance then?
Yeah.
You want him in the side or the back, guys?
What's your name?
You want him in the side?
What? You got warrants?
Yeah.
She just had open heart surgery.
You eat a bunch of drugs?
Huh?
You eat a bunch of drugs?
Was there anything in his wallet?
I did that last time.
You did last time?
Yeah, not this time. Her just hurt.
Your dog okay?
Oh, there's somebody in there right now?
She is.
Holly?
Hey.
Hold still. Wait, you haven't seen those? Apparently you don't help them out at all, Chris.
Hey, I gotta blow my nose. I don't want to blow my nose on neither one of you. Like, I mean, get it
Yeah, definitely don't blow your nose on me.
Can I get close to the ground and blow my nose? Yeah.
Sure. Skyler.
Holy!
I didn't.
Hey, Cody.
I'll wipe it off in the grass.
What's he doing?
Alright.
Wiping his nose.
Okay. Alright, ready to stand up? We'll get your head.
I just slept great, brother.
Now you come over here.
Please, I'm hopping that lightning. I just need some water. You don't have any water, man. Man, get something there, medical.
Go ahead and swing your legs up over here. One here, or one up here, and then one down here.
To the right to speak to an attorney. You have an attorney present for during questioning for advice. You can now appoint an attorney.
I'm out. I'll see you.
Yep.
Now you still have the right to stop